I changes to ick and I changes to us and 8 changes to ick. So an example would be like if you had chloride, it'd be hydrochloric acid. And for base, the formula, they end in OH and then end in hydroxide for the name. So if you had KOH, it would be potassium hydroxide. And prefixes, when you combine nonmetals, 1 is mono, 2 is di, 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, 5 is penta, 6 is hexa, 7 is hepta, 8 is octa, 9 is nona, and 10 is deca.
Right, and did you say when do you use those prefixes for
When combining nonmetals.
combining nonmetals? Good, keep going.
Okay, and there's also irregular polyatomics, and the easiest way to memorize is O, no, so, co, po, and H. And O has charge of -1. It goes in order: -1, -1, -2, -2, -3, and +1. And for the subscript, the O has nothing, and starting from no, it has 3, 4, 3, 4, 4. So you name it hydroxide, nitrate, sulfate, carbonate, phosphate, and then for NH4 plus, it's called ammonium, and when you have one less hydrogen, then it's called ammonia. And 2 other ones are acetate and peroxide. And I have 1 less oxygen than 8. So for example, if you're naming nitrate, which is NO3 minus, if you have 1 less oxygen, making it NO2 minus, then you name it nitrite. And also, I is less than ite, and then ite is less than 8. So how you name it, for example, for chlorine. So Cl minus is chloride, and then if you add 1 more oxygen, it's hypo, and then chlorite, and then 1 more oxygen is just chlorite, and then ClO3, chlorate, and then 1 more oxygen is you add per, and then chlorate.
Okay, what about, oh, you keep going, I'm sorry, I didn't realize you could tip.
And also, when you're naming binary elements, which is 2 elements that make the ion, first what you do is name the cation first. So for example, NaCl, you just keep the Na. So Na is sodium, so you drag that down, sodium. And then for the second part, you name the anion using the root plus I. So the root is chlor, and then you take the I and E out, and then you add the I part. So you take both, and the NaCl is sodium chloride. And also, if your naming involves transition metals, the key is to use